Hakajing pente Riewpaidbah Lyngngoh kilat pathai kubor hakanok pai sngi jong pratare ujemmang arja arpusan halor kajing ter nam ding kisipai India yaki kitem let no apo Pakistan bat kijaka Kashmir balakurup da kategori bemarjan haka step sennya jong nyotare ujemmang arja arpusan bat kijing mi na kajing ter nam ding belatip kum ke operation Synduk ketanat korbar kam bari Lyngngoh Vikram Misri ulaong baladaka Pakistan ka kam baki bayap na kajing ter nam ding jongari India baki deki Riewpaidbah ka long ka Lyngngoh bayaki Synduk metyap latap daki Lama kari Pakistan. Vikram ula seiru da kadur ka bapen i ya kajing don lang ki lekno mat ki sipai lam ki bor pulit ke Pakistan ha kajing lek niam ya ki ba ka Pakistan ka kam badai ki Riewpaidbah. Laong bah nyo pungut ki lekno ki badai na ka kinhon Jais i Muhammad Lashkar-e-Taiba bat Hizbul Mujahideen ki layap na kajing ter nam ding ki sipai India. Kumban syukdo hadien kajing jia syasiat yap arpo hunrungut ki brio Pahalgam daki lekno Lashkar-e-Taiba hakan no pai ngin juga arpo artrek yoyong arja arpusan ki bor sipai bat ki nong yalam sanhima nari Pakistan ki la long stat bha ban kentan ya kajing keno baki don kajing adai bat kita ki lekno Henry hakan no pai ngi juga nyu tare ujemmang arja arpusan kaptu kat nipor hadien kajing ter nam ding kari India kabla tip kom ko operation Synduk ha kajing lek niam ban tap ya ki lek no ki bala yap hamurit ke klaidon langpat ki sipai Pakistan ki bor pulet bat ki officer nalor ki noyalam lek no Hakate ka let niam u Hafiz Abdul Rauf u let no ka Lashkar-e-Taiba ulay lam ya ka jingdway bat bun ngot ki sipai Pakistan ki bawan ban sngolam ya ki balayam.
The claim that only civilians were killed in the strikes on the 7th of May. We have made the point very clearly that all attacks on the morning of 7th May were against carefully selected terrorist infrastructure, terrorist targets. It is not clear to us, in fact, seeing some of the coverage of the after effects of these strikes, including the funerals for the terrorists that were held yesterday. I think a lot of you have seen the reports and the coverage on media. If only civilians, if any civilians were killed in these attacks, I wonder what message this picture actually sends to all of you. This is a question that is worth asking. It's also odd that the funerals of civilians are carried out with the coffins being draped in Pakistani flags and state honors being accorded. As far as we are concerned, the individuals eliminated at these facilities were terrorists. Giving terrorist state funerals may be a practice in Pakistan. Doesn't seem to make much sense to us.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka batau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngngoh ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.